Imagine you waking up in the morning, walk into your kitchen, and you're about to cook. You reach for your pot, maybe the one you used yesterday, and then suddenly you notice something inside it. Small, dark particles. Then it hits you that a rat might have entered your kitchen at night and defecated inside your cooking pot. Now your mind starts racing. Should I throw this pot away? Can I just wash it? Will my family get sick if I cook with it again? This situation is actually more common than people think, especially in homes where rats can enter at night. So watch this video to end and don't panic. First, we need to understand something important. Rats are not just annoying animals that steal food. They can carry microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses that can sometimes spread disease to humans.
Some of the infections linked to rat droppings include leptospirosis, salmonellosis, and in rare situations, hantavirus infection. Now, before you get scared, let me explain something very important. These germs do not survive strong cleaning and heat. This means something powerful. You do not need to throw away your pot. But, and this is where many people make mistakes, you must clean it the right way. Because if you just rinse it quickly and start cooking, that is not enough. So imagine again, you just discovered rat droppings inside your pot. The first thing you should avoid is touching it directly. Many people make this mistake. They just use their bare hands, remove the droppings, and go wash their hands later. Instead, use tissue, nylon, or gloves if you have them. Carefully remove the droppings and dispose of them properly in a sealed trash bag. Also, the step most people think is enough washing. Yes, washing is important, but it must be thorough washing. Use hot water and dishwashing soap. Scrub the pot well, the inside, the edges, and even the outside. Soap helps break down grease and remove contaminants that might stick to the surface. But here is the key step that many people skip: disinfection. Soap cleans, but disinfection kills germs, and this is what protects you from infection. There are two simple ways to disinfect the pot. The first method is heat. You can pour boiling water inside the pot and allow it to sit for a few minutes. Heat is one of the strongest killers of bacteria and viruses.
The second method is using a mild bleach solution. Just a small amount of household bleach diluted in water can disinfect surfaces very effectively. You don't need much. Leave it in a pot for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Once you do this, the pot becomes safe to use again. And here's something many people don't realize. When you start cooking food in the pot, the cooking temperature itself also destroys most harmful microorganisms. That's why proper cooking is an important layer of protection. But there's another part of this story that people often ignore. If a rat entered your pot, it means the rat also likely walked around your kitchen, maybe on the counter, maybe near your food storage area, maybe even near your utensils. So, cleaning the pot alone is not enough. You should wipe down kitchen surfaces, wash nearby utensils, and check how the rat entered your home. Because prevention is always better than cleaning after contamination. Let's talk briefly about how to stop this from happening again. Rats usually enter homes for 3 main reasons: food, shelter, and small openings. If food is left uncovered overnight, rats will come. If garbage is not sealed, rats will come. If there are holes or gaps in doors, cabinets, or windows, rats will come. So what you should do is simple but effective. Cover your pots after washing them. Store food in sealed containers. Keep the kitchen clean at night. And if possible, block any small openings where rodents can enter. Even a small hole the size of a coin can allow a rat to pass through.
Now let's answer the main question clearly. If a rat defecates in your cooking pot, can you still use the pot? Yes, as long as you properly clean and disinfect it. What you should never do is ignore it and cook immediately without proper washing and disinfection, because that is how contamination can spread. But once cleaned correctly, the pot is safe again. So next time this happens, and honestly, in many homes it eventually does, don't panic. Just follow the correct steps. Remove the droppings safely. Wash thoroughly with soap and hot water. Disinfect using boiling water or diluted bleach. Rinse well. Then cook normally. Your health and your family's safety depend on simple but correct hygiene practices. That's why health education matters, because small information can prevent big problems. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.